In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Word document as a PDF. First, select File, Save As, select the location of where you want your document to be saved, type in its name, click on the file here and a drop-down menu will appear. Click PDF, then click Save, and a new dialog window will pop up showing your PDF. The second method, we use a similar system. Click File, but this time we're going to click Export. Then make sure you're selecting Create PDF/XPS Document. Then click on the button. A new dialog window will appear. Name it your desired name. Now make sure that this is PDF, not XPS. Then click Publish. And as before, a new window will appear showing you your PDF. The final method is using Microsoft's print function. Select File, then select Print. Make sure this is selected as Microsoft Print to PDF. Then select Print, select where you want your file to be saved, give your file a name, and then select Save, and that file will be saved as a PDF in that location. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to save Word documents as PDFs and how to convert PDFs to Word documents, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.